everyone, this is Lily with Outfits from My Closet, and today I'm going to show you a video of an unboxing of a purchase that I made on eBay a couple days ago. This came in the mail just now, so I am going to open it. I belong to a chat group on Facebook, and there was a discussion lately. Somebody posted, what is the one bag that you regret not getting when it first came out? And many people in the chat group had agreed that they regretted not getting a bag called the Menilmontant. And so I looked it up further, and I also did some research with other people that have YouTube clips on it. And the bag looks really versatile as a crossbody. I love crossbody bags because it gives me the versatility to be hands-free when I go shopping and such. So here is the bag. And I always look for bags that are in pretty good condition, but not brand new and not near new, just that it has enough life left so that I can enjoy using the bag for many more years to come. It comes with a dust bag, and here is the bag. Wow, the condition actually looks better than pictured in the auction. So here is the side tab. The front, made in, let's see, Louis Vuitton Paris tag in the front. And here's the other side. Looks pretty good. Yep, Louis Vuitton canvas smell. It is a magnetic closure. There are two magnets, one here and one here. No stains, looks pretty good. Some paperwork. Oh, awesome. She included the receipt. Here's the original receipt, a copy of the original receipt. And the strap is attached. It is not detachable on the side. It's adjustable with 2, 3, 4, 5 holes. And there are one big compartment, 2 pockets in the front. So 3 pockets total, or 3 compartments total. There's no compartments in the back. Actually, I saw a fake one on eBay, and it has a back pocket with a zipper on it, and it looks super fake. So yeah, just something to know, that fakes are out there and that the number of pockets doesn't quite add up. Here is the interior pocket. Let me just show you the zipper. This is the zipper. Here is made in the USA tag. And I have seen discussions where people talked about counterfeiters not using made in USA tags. They usually have counterfeits that says made in France and made in Italy. And so far, no one has seen any fake tags or any counterfeits made in the USA. So this is a good sign. Everything looks good. I'm really happy with this purchase. Here's a little D-ring inside to attach wallets if you want, so that you can find your wallet easily when you open up the compartment. Here is a closer look at the bag. I'm going to zoom into the stamp in the front. And this is the piping that goes all the way around from the front to the side. And the piping is not continuous. They do sew another piece on in the back, and I did notice that in all the other Menilmontant bags on eBay. Here is the stitching to connect the front pipe. I didn't see this in the auction, but there is a tiny little crack. It's so subtle that I really doubt the seller saw it. Right there where the flap opens and closes. I saw a lot of purses for sale out there that have cracked corners right up here, and some of them even crack in the back, so I need to be really careful with how delicate this part of the purse is. This side is fine, there are no cracks on the right side. The interior zipper opens and closes pretty easily. Let's do this with one hand. Okay, and it took me a while to find the date code, but the date code is hiding in the front right pocket. Here is the brass belt buckle. And here's the brass side buckle. And here's the other side. Okay, so let's see what it looks like on me. So here's the bag again, and I will show you what it looks like when I wear it crossbody on me. My height is 5 feet, almost 5'1", but I tell people 5'1", I just round it up, and I'm 5'1". And it's a little bit low. It goes down to my side thigh. So I will adjust this to make it a little bit shorter. Right now it's at the most bottom hole. So let me adjust it and put it at the top right here. And those of you who care about protecting your stains and marks on the vachetta, I do see some stains here and some probably water or oil mark here. I'm going to try to clean it with saddle soap. I think it's called saddle soap, I'm not sure. So the cleaning process would be that you would wipe this with non-alcoholic baby wipe once through thoroughly, and you would use the saddle soap, gently rub away the dirt, and after you do that, then you want to use a leather protectant to cover the whole entire vachetta leather. So this is the highest, the shortest hole that I'm wearing it at. And let's see what it looks like. It's still a little bit low. It does go down to my hip, side hip. What I can do is I can punch an extra hole or two up here, evenly spaced, to make the strap shorter. But I'm not sure if punching holes would take away the warranty. There's no warranty anymore, but would take away the Louis Vuitton shop from repairing it just because I altered it. Anyway, so this is what it looks like on me.